Hey guys, it's Jacob. What's going on? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 golden rules of affiliate marketing for 2019 and beyond. Now, these rules I'm sharing with you from my personal experience. I've been affiliate marketing now for just over 2 years, and I've made about $400,000 in affiliate commissions in that time. So I'm not sharing hot air with you. I'm not sharing theory. I'm sharing 5 golden rules that I've learned from working in the field, testing, tweaking, trying things, and making a hell of a lot of money along the way. So hopefully you find these really helpful. But if this is your first time here, before we dive into those 5 rules, I would love it if you would subscribe to the channel. All you gotta do is click that big red button below. It's free to do it. And then click the little bell notification so you get notified whenever I drop a video. And if you like this content, if you find it helpful and you wanna see more of it, make sure you smash that like button because it really, really does help with the YouTube algorithm, and it helps me to know that this is the type of content that people want to see, or maybe they don't want to see. So let's dive into it. The very, very first golden rule of affiliate marketing: always, always, always test the products before you start promoting them, and make sure that you know the products well. There's far too many affiliate marketers out there who are promoting tons and tons of different products that they've got no idea about. They've never tested, and they have no idea what the quality is like. Ultimately, that's going to damage the reputation of you as an affiliate marketer if that's what you're doing, and you're going to leave your customers, the people that you're sending to these offers, unhappy. So if that is something that you've been doing, my recommendation would be this: reduce the number of offers that you're promoting, the number of products, services, whatever it may be. Focus it down to 1 or 2, maybe 3 at a stretch, and know them really well. Purchase them if you haven't already. If it's a product that you're trying to promote, make sure you've bought it, or ask the owner if you can get access. Go through it in detail, understand it really well. If it's software, make sure that you've actually used the software, that you've actually tried it out. Know the strong points, know its weaknesses, so that when you're promoting it, and if you're talking to people about it, they can tell that you know it inside out. One of the keys to selling is making sure that people know, like, and trust you. And when you're sharing content and sharing information about a product, if you don't know it very, very, very well, it's going to be really hard to build that rapport, because people can tell that you don't believe in the product because you don't know the product. So take those tips on board, and I think if you shift your approach, that first golden rule will really, really help you this year and always moving forward in your affiliate marketing journey. And that brings me to the second golden rule of affiliate marketing: always give value first, then make the pitch second. If you look at the biggest affiliates out there who consistently crush it month after month, year after year, they're all giving a ton of value up front, sharing information, sharing their knowledge, and then asking for the sale. That is the big secret to being successful with affiliate marketing. We give a ton of value. We share everything that we know about the niche, about the industry, whatever it is that we're trying to promote. And then once the person has consumed this content, they've consumed this information, they've received this free value, then you can ask for the pitch. Then you can try and make the sale. At that point, you've developed that know, like, and trust factor, and it's going to make that sale way, way easier. In fact, there's 3 steps to kill it with affiliate marketing. Do you want to hear them? The first one is give free value, and keep giving it, and keep giving it, and keep giving it. Then ask for the sale, and then rinse and repeat. If you can master those 3 things, you're going to be a super affiliate in no time, and you're going to be a super affiliate for years to come. So that's the second golden rule. Okay, let's jump into the third golden rule. Now, this applies particularly if you're currently running or you're planning on running paid traffic to your affiliate offers. Make sure that you scale slowly. I know how exciting it can be. Trust me, I really, really know how exciting it can be. When sales start coming in, we start seeing the dollars on our dashboard in the affiliate back office, but that's not real money. With affiliate marketing, there's so many amazing things about the business model. We can make a ton of money. We don't have to have our own products. We don't have to handle customer support, merchant accounts, all that kind of stuff. But on the flip side, there is a few negatives. One being that we lose control of a lot of the transaction. We lose control of what happens after someone buys, which means that, we can't really control refunds and things like that. Affiliate agreements can change. Companies can stop offering their affiliate program. So until you get paid out that money and it's in your bank account, Please keep that in mind. I've seen a lot of people get burnt because what they do is they start running ads, they start making sales, and they scale up too quickly before they've actually been paid, and then something changes and they're down the advertising cost and they've never actually received that money. It actually happened to me. When I was first getting started, I started promoting an e-commerce software out of Asia. And in the first month, I jumped to their top affiliate, but then they didn't actually like the way that I was promoting it. I was using Google AdWords. And so they reached out to me and they said, sorry, I think they owed me about $5,000. And they said, sorry, we're not going to pay you because we've changed our terms and you are no longer able to promote it that way. It didn't matter that at the time it was fine. There was nothing in their terms about it, but they can change it. And we as affiliates, there's nothing we can do about it. And I learned my lesson. I scaled too quickly. I spent a few $1,000s on ads and I never received that money to not only pay for the ad costs, but also collect my profit. So that was a learning curve for me from a personal experience. So I'd recommend if you're currently running ads or you're planning on running ads, make sure that you scale slowly and wait until you get paid before you try and ramp things up quickly. That's the third tip. All right, let's jump into the fourth golden rule of affiliate marketing. Add your traffic sources in layers. When we try and do too many things at once, we end up generally not really achieving much with anything. I know how exciting it can be to have traffic coming from all these places and we're making all these sales. But unless you're focusing on one thing at a time, you really master it, you systemize it, you get it to work where you really don't have to think about it, and you try and do that in too many different places at once, you're never really going to achieve the outcome that you want. So what I would recommend you do is choose one traffic source. Maybe it's a blog, maybe it's Instagram, maybe it's YouTube, maybe it's Facebook, whatever it is. Pick one, really focus on it, refine it to the point where you don't really need to think about it. It's working for you basically on autopilot. And then move to a new traffic source and integrate that into your business, adding it on top as another layer, and then do the same and then add another layer. What this is going to do is it's going to mean that everything's built up on a solid foundation. It's going to be sustainable. It's going to give you predictability and longevity in your affiliate marketing business. So that's the fourth golden rule of affiliate marketing. All right, let's jump into the fifth golden rule of affiliate marketing. And this one's a little bit fun, but I love the fact that affiliate marketing is really competitive. We've got leaderboards, we run competitions, there's prizes and giveaways. I love that aspect of it. And you know what the truth is the only thing that we can really control is how hard we work. Like I said before with affiliate marketing, there's a lot of things that are out of our control. But what we can control is how hard we work. So make sure that you as an affiliate marketer are always outworking your competitors. If you know in the back of your mind that you could be doing more, it's time to draw a line in the sand and step up and work harder than the person that's next to you, on your left, on your right, wherever they are. We're all competing as fellow affiliates. That's the raw truth of it. So make sure that you're outworking me. Make sure that you're outworking all the people in your marketplace, because that's ultimately what's going to allow you to win. And that's ultimately the major thing that you can control in your business. So that was my top 5 golden rules for affiliate marketing. But before we wrap up, I wanted to give you one bonus tip that has served me really well in my affiliate marketing journey so far. Now, I'm a big proponent of being really hyper-focused. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying go and spread yourself too thin, but it is also very important to find a balance between being focused and keeping one eye on the market, keeping one eye on what's going on, what opportunities are out there. And here's why. Timing is very important. If you miss an opportunity or you jump on it too late, your results can be significantly impacted. So make sure that you're 90% focused on everything that you're doing, but also keep an ear to the ground about what's happening in the market, because you never know what opportunity might pop up. This is an approach that I've always applied to my business, and it's allowed me to find and jump on opportunities as they pop up, and it has made me literally hundreds of thousands of dollars. Now, this balance is going to be different for everybody, but you need to figure it out for yourself. Don't go too far one way to the point that you're just spending time looking at all different things and not achieving everything. But don't go too far the other way where you're just so focused on what you're doing that you completely disregard the opportunities that are coming up every single day in the marketplace. That's just a bonus tip that I wanted you to keep in mind. And that's all I've got for you today. That's my top 5 golden rules for affiliate marketing, and then one little extra golden rule that hopefully you take on board. And if you do, I think will make you a lot of money. I really appreciate you watching the video today. Hopefully you found this helpful. If you did, make sure you smash that like button. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. If you haven't subscribed already, click that big red button, hit the bell notification so that you get notified whenever I drop a new video. Leave a comment. Let me know which one of these golden rules you found most valuable, or you're looking to apply, or you weren't aware of that you really want to go and try out in your business. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Cheers.